Welcome to another Book Talk edition. I am Elisa Sanders. Today I will be doing a book talk with you on the book No Talking by Andrew Clements. It is illustrated by Mark Elliott. Dave Packer is assigned to do a report on Indian civil rights leader Mahatma Gandhi. Dave is unable to get one interesting fact about Gandhi out of his head. For many years, one day each week, Gandhi did not speak at all. Gandhi believed this was a way to bring order to his mind. This leads Dave to attempt to go one day without talking. His plan almost works. He is able to cough his way out of a report, even though it irritates his assignment partner, Lindsay Burgess. But when he gets to lunch, he cannot take the gabbing of another girl anymore, and he breaks his vow of silence to insult Lindsay. This leads the two to argue and wager a bet. It's the fifth grade boys against the fifth grade girls to see who is the most talkative. Lindsay and Dave are the designated scorekeepers. The terms of the bet: you may not talk to anyone, not even your parents, for 48 hours. There is one exception. You are allowed to talk when directed by a teacher or a school faculty member. Then you are allowed to use 3 words only. Anything over 3 words counts as an illegal word and a point against your team. Kids will use the honor system at home. The winning team gets bragging rights of superiority, and the winning scorekeeper gets to write a giant L for loser on the losing scorekeeper's forehead in red permanent marker. The contest begins okay, but quickly turns to chaos. The principal thinks she's losing control. Teachers aren't quite sure how to teach. But can what start out as only a bet become something more? Can not talking help a person be a better student, a better musician, a better athlete, a better teacher? How about just a better person in general? To find out, you'll have to read this book. This book is a great chapter book. It's funny, it's 146 pages, and includes great illustrations that matches the book's plot. I would recommend this book for boys and girls ages 9 through 12. For parents watching this book talk, you will enjoy reading this book as well. My mother used to say, you were given 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. Reading this book made me recall that and reflect on the power of silence and the act of thinking before speaking. Thanks for joining.